Listen, I forgot to charge my iPad this morning. Please stand guard while I tell Mommy I'm scared.
You're so stupid sometimes.
I know, please just stand guard. Please, she won't do anything bad if you're around.
Fine, let's go. Can't wait to see this one.
Alright, Daisy, just stay right there. Mommy?
Yeah, what is it, Diego?
I forgot to charge my iPad for school last night, and now it's dead. I'm sorry.
Seriously, Diego? Oh my gosh, this is the third time this week it happened. You forgot it twice last week, and you're forgetting it again. I don't know what to tell you, Diego. You're on your own this time.
Let me go finish getting ready. Cuckoo.
Alright, Daisy, enjoy your Lucky Charms. Eat them fast. We have to get going. Diego, there's Lucky Charms at the table.
I'm not hungry. I'm too upset to eat. I don't really care. You're gonna eat in a few hours anyway. My goodness.
What is up, Alienators? How are you? How's it going? Hope you all are doing good. And sorry for the short intro today, or missed intro. We woke up super late. Mommy overslept, and so the twins overslept. We're rushing around. Diego's school iPad died because he didn't charge it last night. So he's bringing it to school. They should let him charge it. If not, oh well. Looks like he's doing paperwork today. But, it's just such a crazy morning, and Diego won't stop crying. Daisy's been good, though, as always. So, yeah, guys, just want to apologize for the lack of intro. But right now, we're getting ready to go to the bus stop, right?
Yeah. You gotta stop crying, dude. People are gonna make fun of you. What are you, Gavin?
Alright, Daisy, you ready?
I'm ready.
Alright, guys, have a good day at school. Good morning, class. I'll be with you guys in just a second. So just get in your seats, and yeah, I'll be right with y'all.
I have to go tell her. Miss Rodrigo.
Oh, yeah, Diego, what's wrong? Sweetie, why do you look like you've been crying?
I forgot to charge my iPad last night for class, and I don't have it today. Can I please go charge it in the library?
Absolutely not, Diego. This is the third time in a week that this has happened. Okay, no, you're not charging your iPad. You can do it on paper. Go get a blank sheet from your notebook. You are taking lots of notes today.
I get no support. Not from the school, not from anybody.
What's wrong, Diego?
It's none of your business, Patrick. Go away.
Okay, cranky pants much.
Alright, and that class is why we need to learn multiplication tables by 3rd grade. And okay, so it's 11:15, which means it's time for lunch. So you guys are free to go, and I will see you in half an hour.
About time. It's lunchtime. I'm gonna get a yogurt. I gotta get my applesauce. I'm so excited. Excuse me. Does there ice cream with yogurt? My mommy started putting it in. It's super creamy.
No, Diego, this is school. We don't have ice cream to go with our yogurt.
Well, what else do we have?
Just plain yogurt.
Okay. I'm not eating tonight. Looks like I'm gonna starve today. Huh.
Hey, Diego, where's your lunch, silly?
I don't have lunch today.
Why not? You need a lunch. Look, I have a lunch.
Well, that's great for you, Daisy, but they don't put ice cream in the dang yogurt, so I guess I'm just not eating today.
You didn't even eat breakfast earlier. What are you gonna eat?
I can wait till after school. I'm a big boy.
Oh my gosh, you are so crazy, Diego. I'm gonna eat my lunch and not care. I don't care.
Yeah, you shouldn't care. Mind your own business. Dang. Guys, welcome back to class. I hope you all had a great lunchtime. Anyway, so back to the lesson from earlier today. Yeah, multiplication is going to be pretty important in 3rd grade because then you start the park test and... Why is my head hurting? Ugh, let me just ignore it. Probably just tired. Okay, my headache is getting so bad right now. Patswick.
What, Diego? Do you want to be mean to me again?
No, Patswick. Listen, my head really hurts. Please tell the teacher I need the nurse. Please.
No way. Can you not talk? Yeah, I didn't think so. Tell her yourself. You're gonna remember those words from earlier, Ego.
Fine, guess I will tell her myself. Squeeze my hand. Come on. Alright, does anyone have any questions? Diego, yes, what's your question? I don't have a question about the lesson, but can I please go to the nurse? My head hurts so bad. Oh my god, of course. Alright, everybody, here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna write a pass to Diego, to the nurse, call the nurse, let her know he's coming down, and then we have to put our mask on, okay? So I'll let you guys go to your copies one at a time. I'm gonna move some desks. Diego, let me go get you your pass, okay? Okay. Alright, oh my gosh, this time of year is crazy. Alright, Diego, here's your pass. Go straight to the nurse, okay? I'm gonna call her and let her know you're going down, alright? Alright, thanks, Miss Rodrigo. You're welcome. I go call her. Oh my gosh, I'm so worried. Hi, this is Rodrigo calling to send a kid down to the nurse. Diego Hernandez says he has a very bad headache, is showing possible cough symptoms. Please keep him 6 feet apart from any other kids. Thank you. My head hurts. I feel so sick. Feel better soon, Diego. Thank you. To the nurse, I'm so sick. Hi.
Hi, Diego. What's the problem today?
I have such a bad headache. It's the worst headache I've ever gotten. It's horrible. I can't focus. I can barely hear or see.
Diego, did you eat breakfast?
I did. I had a whole bowl of Lucky Charms.
And did you eat your lunch today?
All of it. I'm talking pizza, french fries, milk carton, yogurt without ice cream.
Diego, is there anybody in your family that's been sick the last few days?
Let me think. Oh yeah, my sister threw up over the weekend, and my mom's been so sick. I have to talk to her through the door. It's horrible.
Well, Diego, I'm afraid I'm going to have to call your mom to come pick you up.
Oh, what a shame.
Hi, Miss Hernandez?
Oh, God. Yes, this is she. What's going on?
The nurse's office with an excruciating headache. He says that his sister's been sick and that you're very sick.
Okay, so what do you need me to do?
Unfortunately, the cough has been going around, and since he's having symptoms of that, I'm going to need you to pick him up.
Alright, no problem. Is there anything he needs to do to come back to school, or can he come back tomorrow if he's feeling well again?
It's been going around, so he's going to need to take a cough test, and he won't be allowed back until he shows a negative test result.
Alright, let me tell my boss what's going on, pack up my stuff, so I can leave work for the break, I guess, and I'll be right there. Thanks for letting me know.
Well, we'll see you then. Yep, Diego, I suggest you go lay down until she gets here.
Okay, I guess you'll have to call my teacher and Patrick will bring my stuff or something. Update on Diego. Let me take this off so I can talk. Hi, Miss Rodrigo. Yes, I did send Diego Hernandez down to the nurse's office. Alright, yeah, I'll send someone down with his stuff. Thank you for letting me know. Okay, bye.
Alright, I need Patrick, can you go bring Diego his stuff? He's going home.
I'll bring his stuff.
I'm currently in my boss's office right now. Why am I in my boss's office? Because Diego has a headache, and I'm required to go pick him up and get him a cough test. I'm so sick of this cough stuff, guys. I don't want to sound like Tom Cruise going off on it, cough, but for real, you cannot have a normal stomachache, a normal headache, any normal symptom without it being dang cough. Oh my god, he probably Alright, listen. Me and Daisy are not sick, okay? I twisted my ankle over the weekend dancing, and on Saturday, Daisy ate a bunch of food, then she went and ran around with her friends, all that jostling around, and she threw up. She was fine. We're not sick. So now the nurse thinks we're in a cough house, which we're not. I'm so mad. Oh my gosh. I'm getting ready to go pick him up. And I'm so mad. These things are expensive where we live. Oh my god. It's always something with Diego. So I have to say, it's always something with Diego. Diego.
Mommy, hi.
What's going on?
I have such a bad headache, Mom. It's the worst headache I ever got. I don't know if I'm gonna be okay or not.
Alright, we're gonna go home.
Okay, Mommy.
Can you walk?
Barely.
Alright, you should be fine. Thanks for letting me know.
No problem.
Come on, Diego, let's go to the doctors.
Okay, Mom.
So, Diego, do you want to tell me about the headache that is making me spend over $50 to get you a cough test that you don't even need?
Well, I thought you felt bad for me.
Nah, Diego, learn my ways. That is just a little act for the nurse. So tell me, what's this headache that was so bad?
I really do have a headache.
Well, you didn't eat breakfast. And did you eat lunch?
No, because I didn't have ice cream in the yogurt.
See, you have a headache because you're hungry, not because of the cough. You just wanted to get out of school, didn't you?
No, Mommy, I really do have a headache.
Yeah, I have no doubt about that, but you really did play it up for the nurse. Me and Daisy are not sick, Diego. I twisted my ankle, and Daisy threw up because she ate too much, then ran around. I'm so done. We're just gonna leave. Really, I'm so done with you, Diego. Let's just go. It's Haley, I'm back, and sorry if you can't really hear me good, I am wearing a mask. But right now we are at the our local urgent care, about to get COVID test. He's gonna get tested, and I'm also getting tested, just in case, you never know. God. So, this is a whole fiasco. Who knows when we'll be out of here, because I don't know how long it's going to take. We're the only ones here, surprisingly. Well, guess not surprisingly, because it is 1:30 in the afternoon. But I'm really annoyed at Diego today, because obviously, it's a hunger headache, and he's doing all this. He could have lasted another hour or two. Okay, he didn't have to... Sorry, I'm positioning the camera. He have to come home right away. But here we are, getting COVID tested. Oh my gosh, I'll get back to y'all later. Alright, I can take whoever's next. Yeah, cut it out.
Someone waiting time.
Alright, well, what's the saying again? Long time no see. Yeah, we haven't seen each other since, I think, February of last year, when you, my friend, weren't growing.
I remember that. Alright, so we're taking your test first. Basically what I have to do is I'm going to stick this swab up your nose, and it'll take a few days for the test results to get back. And until then, just wait for the call, okay? Okay. Alright, Mom? Alright, just take his test. Okay. Oh, I'm scared. Diego, you were brave enough to break out of school. Just do it. Okay. Oh. Just relax. Just relax. And you're done. That really hurt. Oh, I'm sorry about that, kid. Crybaby. Alright, Mom, you're next. Diego, step aside. Okay. Alright, I guess I can take this off. Alright, so same as Diego? Yeah, pretty much. Just try to stay still. Okay, I already got this done. So, alright, so you should be at pro bar. Alright, I think I'm ready. Still feels like the first time. Okay, thank you. You both did great. So your results will come back in 3 days. Because that's the easiest ending we could think of. And yeah.